What's going on? It's your boy Cool with Cool Cakes. Yeah, we're at the Northridge Mall. Yeah, I need to do some recon on these Bred 11s. And since I'm doing that, might as well go look around the mall, you guys. Let's go see what's up. I'm back to my phone after using that sweet camera on SneakerCon, man. Depressing. Let's go see what's up, you guys. Alright, man. I already know these fools are going to say we need to do a raffle, but yeah, let's go look around here at least, man. They usually got some dope stuff. Whether they're gonna release it. Have you had a bunch of people for the raffles and stuff? You've had a bunch?
Like half the people that came in today is probably just for the raffle.
Oh, really? Cause the reason I'm saying that is because I did that for the what the fours, and I got like 8 calls back. Like I went to a bunch of different places. I got like so many different calls back. So fuck. Yeah, I'll fill out a raffle. I'll get a raffle.
Let me know and I'll help you out.
Yeah, I'll do a raffle right now.
Want to do it right now?
Yeah, I'll do it right now.
Name number. I'll compare it after. Just make sure that just name number and size. Nothing else. Can you guys move out the way real quick?
You guys can go on that side.
I did put it for a raffle. I don't know if it's necessary. I really don't. But yeah, it's what I gotta lose. I don't really have to go pick it up. So yeah, let's go see what's up at the other section. Let's go see what's up at the other stores, guys. Let's go see what the news at Foot Locker is and see if they got any deals too. Yeah, so I did check in. I think that got me 1 extra minute. I should have 10 minutes because I should be a platinum VIP or whatever. You know, which you get 10 minutes. You get a 10-minute head start on the raffle system, but for some reason one of the orders didn't get processed or something. So I gave them a call. They said it might take a couple weeks. I was like, what? Why is it taking a couple weeks? Whatever. So I did check in. I have a 7-minute head start instead of the 10 that you get with the platinum. But whatever. It's all good. I probably won't get that Foot Locker. So here's what it is. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna go to Foot Action. There's a Foot Action around here. Let's go see if they what their story is, because my man over there, he said they're probably gonna be easy to get, but might not be able to get one for sure unless you get there early. So I don't know. We'll see what's up. This escalator's not working for sure. But yeah, let's see what's up, you guys. Last stop of the day, finish line. Let's go see what's up here, man. Let's do some investigative work. Let's see what's up. Do you guys have a raffle for the 11?
Yeah, the winner's already been announced.
Oh, really? Damn, y'all did it like a week in advance? Oh, okay, cool. Okay. Alright, that's pretty much about it. Yeah, that was interesting that they already did the raffle and whatnot. I don't know too many shoe places. Most shoe places do the raffles a week of, not usually like a week or two before. So really, karaoke machine, and then you get to record your stuff. What the hell? Really? Wow, that's crazy. Still trying to get these Bred 11s. I'm gonna go around and try to do some recon, try to get some information, and probably enter a few more raffles because I want to make sure I get these in hand, get these the day of so I can review them for you, and yeah, let's see what's up, you guys. Let's see what's up. So yeah, we're gonna go in here. We're gonna try to get as much info, and then we'll check out some sneakers and check out some of the sneakers at some of the places. There's a gym at the mall. Okay, it's interesting. All right, let's go see what's up, you guys. Let's see what information we get, and yeah, let's also join the raffle and see what are the deals they got too. See what deals they got. Shoe palace. There's no raffle? You guys I'm kind of curious on the first come first serve thing. Might have to come here because I kind of want it the day of. So yeah, we'll see what's up. Stop number 3 or mall number 3 for this search, or for this, I don't know what to call it, but yes, mall number 3. No, we're not going to H&M. We are going to Shoe Palace. Let's see what's up, man. Let's get this raffle, and let's also look around, see what deals they got. got in the raffle. Let's look around. All right, I'm sure some of you guys are wondering why I put in this much effort for a general release shoe. But I wanted to make sure I secure a pair. When I went to a few of the stores, initially I started this video because I just wanted to check out how hard they would get and just get the opinions of some of the staff members that work at some of the stores, because they know how many pair come in, that type of stuff. And the way they were saying, you know, the way they were making it sound is like, hey, they're going to be pretty tough. So that's why I ended up joining a couple of raffles. Now I'm definitely happy that I did join a couple of raffles, because I just don't want to have to stress out on Saturday. I want to make sure I got a pair. I want to just go there and pick it up. I don't want to have to wake up at 6 in the morning, that type of stuff. So that's why I did end up joining a couple of raffles. At the end, I only joined 2 raffles because some of the other ones, they're all app-based and that type of stuff. So, and there were a couple stores that were first come, first serve. So I ended up just joining 2 raffles. I did hit on both of them, and I'm definitely glad that I ended up doing the raffles, like I said, so I don't have to wake up in the morning. For those of you guys that didn't have time to go out there and hit up the raffles, because I did have to go after work and stuff, so and it was pretty time consuming, but I just wanted to make sure I hit these up and make sure I did the groundwork so I wouldn't have to work so hard on Saturday. But yeah, for those of you guys who weren't able to hit up a couple of the stores to enter in-store raffles and that type of stuff, Foot Locker still does have their raffle this today. Should be around 2 or 3 I think it's like 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So 6 p.m. Eastern for those of you guys in the East. Yeah, go ahead and make sure you guys sign up. On the Foot Locker app, I do have a 7-minute head start. I should have a 10-minute head start, but these fools messed up one of my orders, and I didn't get credit for some of my purchases, so I don't have $300 worth of purchases at Foot Locker. But yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, go ahead and make sure you guys get on these apps. Try to see if you guys could hit that raffle. Foot Locker has a raffle today, and so does Finish Line, and maybe Champs. I haven't checked Champs, but I know Foot Locker and Finish Line definitely have it. So yeah, make sure you guys hit those up. All right, as I mentioned before, I'm so glad that I was able to secure my pair. I don't have to wake up at 6 in the morning. So yeah, I'm kind of glad I put in the effort in the front end so I don't have to work so hard later. I hope you guys were able to do the same thing. Hope you guys don't have to stress out on Saturday to copy your pair, because I know most of you guys are trying to get this. Like, everybody and their mom's trying to get this, right? Thanks for watching, you guys. For you loyal subscribers, I do appreciate you guys watching all my videos. I do appreciate you guys sharing all these experiences with me. So thank you. Do definitely appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead, press that subscribe button. I do come out with a lot of videos. I try to come out with one every day. Make sure you subscribe and press that notification button so you know when all the new videos come out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace. Good luck getting those pairs, you guys. Good luck getting those pairs.